Hello, Elishka. My sweetheart, we will do tape diagram today because you were saying that you find difficulty in tape diagram. It is very easy, darling. I will explain you. You'll do it 2-3 times, then you will find it. Oh my god, it's so easy. Okay, just I am giving you instruction. 7 plus 4, 7 eighth plus 1/4 is equal to how much? So what we have to do, since there are two fractions, so we have to make two tape. So first we will do for 7/8. Okay, so we will do for 7/8. So what we have to do, first you have to diagram to this tape and cut it into 8 pieces, because in the denominator 8. So whatever is written in denominator, we have to make that much segments here. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, I cut it into 8 pieces, right? Okay, so now how many numerator are there? 7. So shaded area tells you about numerator, so you have to shed 7 because it is 7. So shaded area we have to color 7. Okay, so it will become 7/8. So tape diagram for 7/8 is this, and tape diagram for 1/4, what you will do for exactly same that identical tape, and you have to numerator 4, so we have to write down like 4 lines we have to make. Okay, and numerator is 1, so only shed 1. So here I shaded it. See, here I shaded 1. Okay, so first tape diagram, then cut it into 4 pieces because denominator is having 4, so you have to cut it into 4 segments. Now what is numerator? 1, so we have to share only 1. Okay, now after that we will find the, okay, oh my god, here is 8 segments, here is 4 segments. So how do we get 8 segment out of it? So if we'll cut each segment, this and this in 2 segments, so we'll get 8. So like that also, 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, so I cut it here, one here, and then the second one, and then third one, and then fourth one. So now count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now earlier it was 1, now it, when we cut it into 2 pieces, it becomes 2. So the answer, it will become now 2/8, because now there are 8 segments, and how many are shaded? 2 segments are shaded now. So 2/8, because here it was 1/4. Okay, so 1/4 and 2/8 are identical, right? But here, since we have to make 8 segment out of it, so that is why we cut it into 2 pieces. Each box, 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. See, 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. Total, see, 2, and this 2 4 to 6 to 8, right? But we have to see only shaded part. So this value equal to 2/8. Whatever shaded number are there, 2 and 8 segments, so 2/8. Now you can easily add, rewrite new sentence. 7/8 plus 2/8 instead of 1/4, you have to write on 2/8, because you have cut it into 8 parts. Now 1/4 part is converted when we cut it into 8 parts. So this big part, 1 will become 2, 1 twice of it. Okay, 2. So it, we have to write in 7/8 plus 2/8 is equal to 9/8. Then you further you know how to do it. Okay, answer will be 8/1/8. Clear, my sweetie? Should I repeat it? I repeat from here. You know that we have to cut it into 8 pieces because denominator is 8. So we have cut the tape into 8 pieces. And since numerator is 7, so I shaded 7. Here this is clear to you. So 7/8 is okay. We have done 7/8. Now we have to think about 1/4. So draw this tape and cut it into 4 pieces. Okay, 4 pieces, numerator is done. Denominator is done. Now 1 is shed 1 because numerator is 1. So we have shaded this one box into this color, any color. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to see that we have to match denominator should be same. So since I have cut it 8 pieces, so we have to cut this also into 8 pieces. So how can we do this? 2 times 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So there are 4 boxes, so we will cut every box into 2. So 2 to 4 to 6 to 8, it will become, see, 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. I am making arrow like this. 2 here, then 2 here, then 2 I am making down, and 2 I am making up. Okay, see, 2 to 4, from here to here, 2 6 and 2 8. Jumping by 2, 2 4 6 8. Take 2 together, 2 together, like this, 2 together. Okay, but whatever is shaded form, you have to take only that. So 1/4 is equal to 2/8. Okay, because we denominator is here 8, just similar to here 8 denominator. So here also 8 denominator. And how many shaded part? 2. So you have to tell me 7/8 plus 2/8 is equal to 10, 9/8. And then you will know this 8/8, 1/8. Clear? I love you, sweetheart. I love you. Listen it carefully 2 times, 3 times, and then you'll find it easy. Okay, shaded part is always numerator. Okay, earlier it was 1. When we cut it into 8 pieces, then 1 become twice because we have cut it into 2 pieces. So 2/8. Okay, since we had double the denominator, so numerator will be also double. So 2/8. Clear? 1/4 instead of 1/4, we write down 2/8.